Hey guys, so welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. It's been a long week, but a long productive week. I got some stuff done, but it's the weekend, so I'm gonna get a lot of stuff done that I didn't. A lot of projects. So I'm still wearing my dress, guys. This is gonna be worn a few times. So anyway, I want to talk about my Black History Month TBR. Now I do this every year, and I've stuck to all the books on my TBR for Black History Month. I typically have a variety and I get involved with other things. So I have my list here, and I have all but two books that are, I didn't get them yet. They didn't come in yet. So I will just pop up a picture whenever it comes up. So we're going to start first with Read So Let. Every year, Dee select a book, and Dee from Brown Girl Reading, and we get into it. I've had books from her selection that became like my favorite book of the year, and other books that are so memorable that you just want to share it and other people to read it. She also end up having discussion at the end of the month, sometimes with the author. So this year she selected this book, which is The Sun is Sky. And guys, look at the cover. Look at the cover. I am feeling this. I am feeling this head wrap situation. Yeah. So I know this is supposed to be a young girl and family drama, family tragedy, family trauma, with in relation with her mother and grandmother, and family secrets. That's what I know so far of this, but it is going to be read, and I will definitely give you my opinion as it goes on. There's always a challenge on Instagram as well for #ReadSoLit. So every day there's a calendar, and every day it's a prompt, and it's all related to books by African American or Black authors that that encourage you to share. And it's a great way for you to get familiar with authors that you may not have known of, because a lot of times people break out those books that you don't hear about, and you get to write it down and pick it up in the future. So I always suggest following #SoLit in February, because you get to do that. There's always a role that I think she actually this will be year 3 of the role. And I've done it every year since she started it, where it's a highlight every day. There is a bookstagrammer or a few bookstagrammer that showcase something. And I think mine will be on the 13th. So, but I will be participating every day with the photo challenge. So if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me over there. I have some other things that I'm trying to do. It's probably going to be a challenge for me, but I want to do something different with some of my photo challenge. We'll see how it works. But follow me over there. Then Blackathon. Now Blackathon, which is Jessie from Bow Ties and Book. They do this challenge every year for the last maybe 3-4 years now, and I typically don't do the prompts, I'm going to be honest, but I always pick the books. So I have read at least one book off their list. This year I am going to do two books off the category. The first one is a psychological thriller. Yeah, The Perfect Ruin. I saw this and I said, yeah, I need a little bit of variety in my mix of books this year. So this is going to be the psychological thriller that I'm going to get into. This is more of a revenge storyline, so it's probably going to have the suspense and all that good stuff that I want. So I'm excited for this one. Never heard of the author, so yeah. Then there is a romance category. That book is not here yet. It is still in somewhere. It says shipped, but I don't have it yet. And that one is The Sweetest Remedy. And this one is about a woman who went to Nigeria for a funeral, where she gets to meet the extended family that she doesn't know well, who are, I guess, a bit, out there. And then she also met someone, and there's some romance going on there. This is another one where the cover is the bomb. Like, look at the cover. And so I'm looking forward to this one. And it won't be the only romance I read. I'm currently still reading Monica Walters' series, the Henderson Family. And I'm on currently book 5. It's 8 books in the series, so I'm hoping to finish the entire series in February. So that's going to add on to the extra romance that I will put in the mix of all these other stories. As far as classics, I was missing my boo. Yeah, I know my boo. Jane Bowen. So this one is Tell Him How Long the Train's Been Gone. And this one, I don't know a lot about. This is one of those I'm going blind because I'm on a quest also to read all his book. I believe this will be number 8. I think this is number 8 of Jane Bowen's book. So I'm excited for this, and I will read it, talk about it. You know, I love my boo, but me and my boo sometimes don't agree with certain things, but we're going to get through this and have a discussion whenever I read it. Then I also have nonfiction, and the nonfiction I have is I Take My Coffee Black, and this is Tyler Merritt, and this is his memoir, I believe. Might not be, but it says Reflections on Tupac, Musical Theater, Faith, and Being Black in America. So I am looking forward to this. I feel like, you know, it's going to be kind of, might be a bit heavy, but this is literally the heaviest book on my list this year. This year I'm a little bit more of non-traumatic kind of storyline. But this one is going to be interesting, and a bit of pop culture, bit of the 90s, the 80s that I think is going to be great to read. Now we get to the literary fiction, and the book that I had on my TBR for December and never got to it, Harlem Shuffle. Yeah. And this one I want to read. I think also this one is going to have a different situation in it. It's crime. It's a bit of suspense and stuff like that. So I'm here for this. I haven't seen a lot of people talk about it. I've seen people haul this book, showcase this book, but I haven't seen really a lot of people talk about the book itself. So I'm definitely going to be reading it this month in February. I actually was going to read it in January, and I said, you know what, let me save it for February. So this is going to get read. The other book doesn't come out till actual February 1st, and I pre-order it. So far the last pre-order came on the exact day, so I'm hoping to have the same experience with this one. And this one is Black Cake, and I am here for it. It is a Caribbean, the authors of Caribbean Heritage, and I just the title alone had my attention, and I know I'm going to really enjoy this one. Again, don't know a lot about it, don't remember, because when I bought it, I think I did read the synopsis, but like, honestly guys, I can't remember exactly. But when it comes, and I will talk about it again. But this one, and it's very few books that are new release that I am wanting to read. And I know somebody's gonna ask, Marlon James will not get read in February because Marlon James, that other book is going to be a book that I don't want to rush. So that book is going to be for March. So yeah, don't I know it's coming, because people know I read every single one of Marlon James' book, including his stories that he published in other series. So with that said, I'm going to save that for March, and it will be perfect because, you know, March, Mystery Madness, and drop him in that mix too. So anyway, so I am also have one poetry on the list, y'all. The title of this, wait, Black Queer Hoe. Yeah, this is a poetry book. I couldn't help myself when it came today, because literally this came today plus one of the other books, and I I already cracked it open and read 2 other poems in there, and I'm like, yes, 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 yes. I'm going to enjoy this. Now, some of them are a little, you know, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to really share that many of this. I might be able to share 1 or 2, and within my reading vlog, you know, sometimes I do the poetry thing, because the language, it is very in your face, and so I'm not sure, but it'll be great. I have to find creative ways, you know, not to say a cuss word in this, but guys, pick this up, pick this up, pick this up. I can already tell you this is going to be the bomb because of just the 2 poems that I already read. So yeah, I am here for this, and this is going to be the poetry book for this month. So those are the books that I know for sure. So that's all I have written in here. Those are the books I know for sure. Again, I might end up popping 1 or 2 other books in the mix, but these are the first ones that I'm going to concentrate on, and as time goes by, I might add other books that I have still on my TBR shelf on my coffee table that's still not completed, but we get into them. So anyway, guys, let me know what books are you looking forward to reading in February. Are you adding books from Black author to your TBR this year, and what are those books? Do you plan on participating in any of these challenges, Read So Lit or Blackathon? Let's have a discussion. Let's talk about it. It is celebration, and there's so many positive ways. I do want to have like a classic Black movie video. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it because there's this one particular person that I want to focus on, but I'm trying to find creative ways to make February fun and exciting and positive, and not all traumatic trauma situation that often people think of when they think of Black History Month. So I need entertainment, and I need feel good vibes and smiles. So we're gonna do this in February, and thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.